ready, it's not loaded. Your left hand, you're gonna slide it back and forward. You are live. When you're ready, say pull.
Cool.
Sights. Last one. Don't think about hitting it.
Oh, it's loaded already?
Yeah. So we know what dry fire. Last one. Pretty much pointing and shooting at it. There you go. Where are you aiming?
Right here in the middle.
No, you're not. The last two shots were the ground. There you go. Last one. Well then, still want your front sight here, right in the center and flat. Gonna be your last one. If you have to, bring the front down a little bit.
Yeah, I forgot about that swap thing.
Okay, nice and tight in your shoulder.
You have one round
Same
left?
thing we just
Yes.
practiced.
Cool.
You shoot when you're ready.
Alright. Yes, please.
Okay. Wait, you got the front down?
This magazine only holds 7? Okay.
Order's calculated out.
Last one.
They only give us
So bad, wasn't it?
bolt action rifles.
What we get? Line the two sides up, okay? Aiming just like that.
What
Okay.
you love? Hot.
Gonna be your last one. Hesitated. Don't hesitate.
Pull.
There you go.
Pull.
Got it.
Pull.
Got it.
Last one.
Pull. Behind. Pull.
Last one. Slide
Oh.
forward, throw it the way.
What's that?
Slide that forward. There you go.
Pull.
Caught it. You're aiming the head.
Yeah.
As you're looking down it, well, bring it back up. As you're looking down, and put that sight here, right in the center of them two, so there's equal space. Good. Gonna be your last one. Okay.